Chevrolet offers the C8 Corvette Z06 with a wide array of carbon fiber options from the factory. But if that's not enough carbon, Sigala Designs will cater to your demand as it offers the high-performance sports car with a full-on forged carbon fiber aero package from the front to the back. The build started by destroying the Z06, literally trashing the body panels to make room for the carbon fiber installation. It was no easy task as the panels had strong adhesives, according to the build. After removing the doors, panels, and mirrors, what was left was the Z06 in its skeleton form. The San Diego-based firm claims this is the first fully forged carbon fiber C8 Corvette Z06 in the world. Another world first from the company was the C8 Corvette wide-body build introduced 2 years ago. Looking at the finished product via highway rolling shots, the naked carbon fiber finish won't win any beauty contest and is in dire need of a paint job. However, we all know that the composite material should provide more function to the build rather than form. Since the engine is likely untouched, the C8 Corvette Z06 should still be powered by a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter LT6 flat-plane crank V8 that makes 670 horsepower. However, we expect a quicker 0-60 acceleration with the lighter body, besting the claimed 2.6 seconds. We can also assume the C8 Corvette Z06 will do better than 10.6 seconds for its quarter-mile sprint. No pricing for the complete build has been revealed just yet. Sigala Designs is selling the forged carbon fiber aero package for $6,999. Those who might not need the complete package can also avail of individual parts, potentially saving them thousands of dollars. Interested individuals outside San Diego, California, can opt for a home installation for $2,900 to $3,200, covering travel expenses and installation fees.